Hey, Thompson. It's coming out from the car. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, come on. Give mommy.
No.
You don't want mommy to help you? You're trying to be independent now.
Like it.
It's trying to close the
Give
car.
me that. Give me, mommy.
Okay, good job.
Let's go.
So hit it harder, son.
Okay, now don't go over there, okay? Look at that. Here's a steep hill here. Look at that.
Wow, a hill.
Hill. It's a tall hill, right?
A hill.
We're here in Wisconsin, and look at the blue sky here. It's beautiful. And then, yeah, we're here at the overlooking scenic byways
Yeah.
here. A steep hill also with the railroad tracks down there. And this is a very nice place, overlooking. See that? So beautiful. Thompson! Sitio!
Okay.
You don't run away from mom. Look at the boat here.
Put your kid keeper on. You want that on?
I think we need our kids keeper. Because that's steep down there.
Use this one with a phone.
Yeah, but there's a hole over there. There's a boat down there.
Yeah.
Thompson! Stay close. My son is ano eh.
Yeah.